First, let's clear something up. You're not lazy. Procrastination isn't about laziness. It's about avoiding an uncomfortable feeling. Sort out the feeling and starting gets a whole lot easier. This is where Claude shines. It clears the mental fog and shrinks the task until starting feels almost effortless. Your only job is to begin. It'll help you take that first small step. Step 1. Shrink it. Ask Claude for the 2-minute version of the task, so small it feels almost silly to skip. You're not trying to finish, you're just lowering the bar until you can step over it. Step 2. Name the block. Are you bored, scared it won't be good, or just not sure how to start? Tell Claude, once you name the real reason, it shrinks, and you can actually deal with it. Step 3. Get the single first action. Ask, what's the very first tiny step? Half of procrastination is just not knowing where to begin. A clear first move beats willpower every time. Now the trick that always works. Tell yourself you'll do just 5 minutes with full permission to stop after. Starting is the hard part. Once you're in, you'll almost always keep going. A lot of procrastination is secretly perfectionism. Give yourself permission to do it badly first. A messy, rough draft you can fix beats a perfect one that never gets started. When you can, do the hardest thing first, early, while your energy's high. Get the thing you're dreading out of the way and the rest of your day feels shockingly light. Set a timer for a short sprint. 25 minutes on one task, then a break. A visible finish line makes any task feel doable, and the ticking clock keeps you honest. Clear the runway before you start. Phone in another room, notifications off, one tab open. Don't count on willpower to resist a buzzing phone, just put the temptation out of reach. Make the task more inviting. Pair it with something you enjoy. A favorite playlist, a good coffee, a cozy spot. When the dreaded thing comes with a small treat, you'll resist it a lot less. Give it a real by when. Someday never comes. Done by 3 today does. And tell someone your deadline so a little healthy pressure helps carry you across the line. And drop the guilt about how long you've put it off. Beating yourself up only makes avoiding it feel worse. The past doesn't matter. You can start fresh in this exact moment. Once you finish that first small thing, ride the wave. Go straight into the next. We wait to feel motivated to act, but it's backwards. Taking action is what creates the motivation. Work with your energy, not against it. Save the demanding tasks for when you're sharp, and the easy, brainless ones for your low-energy hours. Ask Claude to help you sort them that way. One kind rule, Claude can clear the path, but you take the first step. And be gentle with yourself. Procrastination isn't a character flaw. Self-kindness, not shame, is what actually breaks the cycle. Turn starting into a ritual. Same time, same little cue each day. When beginning is automatic, it stops being a daily battle of willpower and just becomes the thing you do. Here's the payoff you'll notice every time. The task was never as bad as the dread. 90% of the pain is the avoiding. Start and you trade that low-grade guilt for real relief. So, 5 moves. Shrink it tiny, name what's stopping you. Just start for 5 minutes, kill the distractions, and ride the momentum into the next thing. Tomorrow, we design a morning routine that actually sticks. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool. I'll see you then.